A thrombus, more typically called a blood clot, repairs damage done to a blood vessel, artery or vein. It is a gel-like substance, which is formed by platelets and fibrin to help prevent excessive bleeding. Blood clotting, or coagulation, is an extremely important bodily process, because it prevents excess bleeding, and can help save your life. Platelets and protein in your blood work to create a clot, which forms over an injury. Although blood clots are a healthy and a life-saving way to stop you from bleeding, sometimes they can form when your body does not need them. This can cause a stroke, heart attack, or other serious and life-threatening medical issues. According to Medical News Today, there are several warning signs and symptoms you can watch out for if you think you have a blood clot. Here are 8 warning signs of a blood clot that you shouldn't ignore. 1. Swelling in one limb. One kind of serious blood clot is called deep vein thrombosis, DVT. When DVT occurs, oxygen is unable to reach your vital organs, causing poor blood circulation which, in turn, causes swelling. If one or more limbs is swollen for unexplainable reasons, it might be a DVT. 2. Red or dark discoloration on a leg. Red or dark spots on your skin that appear, without a reason, could be a symptom of a blood clot in your leg. You may also feel tenderness and warmth in this area and even pain, while stretching your toes upward. 3. Chest pain and heavy breathing. Chest pain should never be ignored, nor should heavy breathing. If you experience both symptoms together, however, experts say that you may be experiencing a blood clot in the lungs. A clot in the lungs can quickly turn fatal, so should these symptoms arise, drop what you're doing and seek medical attention immediately. 4. Vomiting. Vomiting could be a sign of having a blood clot in your abdomen. This condition is called mesenteric ischemia, and it is usually coupled with severe pain in the abdominal area. If your intestines don't get enough blood supply, you may also experience nausea and even have blood in your stool. 5. Red streaks along veins. Blood clots are capable of causing red streaks along your skin that are warm to the touch. The streaks should run along the length of your veins and be very noticeable. When you touch them, they'll also feel warmer than the rest of the skin around them. You may be worried that the streaks are just a rash, but if they're warm and run along your veins, then it's important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. 6. Partial or complete blindness in an eye. Painless loss of vision in one of your eyes is usually a sign of central retinal artery occlusion. It is considered a serious medical emergency, especially if you have such additional symptoms as vertigo and problems with keeping your balance. 7. Chronic headaches. Many people get chronic headaches, but these ones will most likely be very severe. In fact, they may be strong enough to incapacitate you and make it hard to focus. You may also find that taking medication will not make your headaches feel better. If this is the case, you may want to seek medical attention, as this could indicate a blood clot in your brain. 8. Unexplained coughing. An unexplained cough can be an early warning sign of a blood clot. You'll most likely have other symptoms along with the cough, such as shortness of breath, racing heart, dizziness, or other symptoms of a blood clot. Keep an eye out for other symptoms of a blood clot if you have a cough that you can't seem to get rid of.